Ito yung buhay ng isang mayroong advanced dilated cardiomyopathy. So, very unstable, like time you lack breath or shortness of breath. Sus, pagkahirap-hirap. So, at least the oxygen makatulong. Here, I have to gamay ra mabit-bit and then I dako. And of course, and then look at that. What is that? Prayer to our Blessed Virgin Mary, given by somebody na concerned and who believe that prayers are the best refuge. So sa pagkakaroon, I'm here sa bahay ng aking isang very dear friend. She was my colleague before and Bisaya po. So has a very golden heart, mga Ilongga. Diba? So for the meantime, guest niya ako dito sa kanyang magandang bahay kasi yung aming apartment kasi is nasa 3rd floor. So hirap akong akyat baba sa stairs. Wala kasing elevator. So she's offering shout out kay Ate Babes. Salamat kaayo for your kind heart na imuha kong gi abi-abi. You're guesting me sa imuhang balay for this month of August. Actually, the initial plan, not really the whole month of August, pero I tried to go back doon sa bahay, sa apartment, pero talagang hindi makaya. So, hindi naging for some days lang ang stay, medyo mga 10 days na ako dito sa bahay ni Ate Babes. And also for this month, whole month of August, I have series of laboratory diagnostic tools kasi nasa screening process na tayo for a heart transplant. Yes, yan ang end solution ng aking mga cardiologist. So for the whole month of August, meron silang tinatawag na screening part. So lahat, the whole body, lahat na. And in some of my videos, doon ko i-share sa inyo. So anyway, I'm still thankful na nandyan yung ating mga kaibigan, ating families, and also to you, my viewers, subscribers sa Bisdako channel na I'm sure you storm heaven praying for my fast recovery. No? So, oops, by the way, don't forget to like, subscribe to my Bisdako channel, share this video para makatulong, if ever makatulong for those who have the same flight, parang gusto ko na umuwi sa Pilipinas the same flight na aduna po yung mga problema regarding heart, those with same situation, status ko, at least maybe this video can encourage that we need to continue life. Like, subscribe, and share.